In this video, I'm going to show you how to book flight online from Benin to Lagos. It's going to be a full guide educational video tutorial. So if you reside or stay in Benin and you love to visit Lagos, right? Or you love to come to Lagos, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can book a flight from Benin to Lagos. Now, I'm going to be using the United Airlines, right? So get this app on your Play Store or your Apple Store, right? I'm going to open it. You're going to click on book a flight, right? Click on this one way. You're going to be flying from Benin, right? So click on this. You're going to be flying to Lagos, right? So choose a traveling date. I can select, let's say 31st May. If you are traveling with your friends, you can add as many as adults you want, and right? So if it's just one person, just click on it. Click on search for flights. You're going to wait for it to gradually search for the flight, right? So there's no flight on Saturday, but there's flight on Friday, right? So yeah, if you want to travel from Lagos, from Benin to Lagos, just select any of these, right? Once you're done, you can just click on this. Click on choose flights, right? So you can come on here, you can just enter your details, right? So if you're a doctor, if you're a professor, if you're a reverend father, if you're a Mr., right? Just any of them. Let's say if let's say reverend father, let me say John, right? John. And just type in, let me say Eze, right? You enter your phone number, enter your email address, right? So just enter your email address because you're gonna be sent an email, right? Once you're done with this, click on the save. So once you're done, just click on this continue, right? So you're gonna choose your seat, right? So you're traveling from Benin to Lagos, so click on your seat. So you're gonna wait for this to load up, right? You're gonna select a seat number, right? Because if you enter the plane, you're gonna be asked where your seat number is, right? So I can just come on, you can select any number you want. I can just click on this, click on select seat. So I'm gonna wait for it to gradually load up, right? So you're gonna click on continue. This is the very last and the final thing you're gonna do, right? Read the terms and conditions. So what you're gonna be paying, you're gonna be paying 125,500, right? So you're gonna get your flight number, your departure time, your fare, right? And everything is gonna be summed up for you, right? So what you're gonna do right now, just click on this agree and pay, right? So click on this pay stake, right? So you're gonna be given some good options for you to pay or make payment, right? You can pay with your OPay, with bank transfer, you can pay with card, you can pay with USSD, right? So once this comes out now, you're gonna see all I'm telling you, right? So this is how it's gonna look. So I'm gonna wait for it to gradually load up, right? So this is it. So once you have made payment, you're gonna be sent an email, right? So this is how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I hope you all found this video helpful. I'll see you all in the next video. Let me know if you have any questions. Do you want to share them below in the comment section.